You downloaded an application, but it's an AIR file. Windows doesn't know what to do with it because Adobe AIR is no longer included in Windows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to get the runtime environment back. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized AIR tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. The AIR format adheres to the base protocol used by all executable files. Its creation software adheres strictly to the Adobe AIR Package requirements. An AIR file is a package used for distributing applications built with Adobe AIR, Adobe Integrated Runtime. It bundles the application's code, assets, and the AIR runtime into a single installable file. This allows applications to run across different operating systems without requiring a web browser. The AIR format is based on the zip archive format. It contains the application's action script or flex code, along with any necessary resources like images, sounds, and configuration files. The AIR runtime provides the necessary APIs and libraries for the application to interact with the operating system. Your primary software solution for AIR files should be Adobe AIR from Adobe Systems. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows provides no content preview, so safe evaluation must be done using trusted tools. First, install Adobe AIR Runtime. Ensure the Adobe AIR Runtime environment is installed on your computer, as this is required to run the application package. Next, use the installation utility. Double-click the AIR file to launch the Adobe AIR installer utility and follow the installation steps. Finally, check security permissions. If installation fails, ensure the installer is not blocked by antivirus or firewall and that you have administrator privileges. Head down to the comments if you need anything else, and remember to subscribe to keep these fixes coming. I'm thankful for every viewer I have.